Hello everyone, today we have a 2020 Ram Laramie 5.7 liter V8 4x4. See, it is ridiculously clean and it rides extremely smooth. Go ahead and take you for a tour. Those LED headlights aren't really flickering, it's just a refresh right in the camera. Love those alloy wheels. It does have a bed cover, dual exhaust. There's a tow package, power sliding back window. Go ahead and open this up for you. Here's where the backup camera is. It does have a spray liner. It is obviously the Sport Edition. Has tow hooks on the front there to pull your buddies out of the mud. I love what Ram's done right here. Let's have leather seats. There's your additional power supplies right there for the back. It's a very rich sounding system. Ram branding right there. There's a shot of your VIN. Your driver controls. And it is the Laramie Edition, as you're seeing there. Super, super nice. As we jump in, I'll go ahead and turn this down so you can hear me a little bit better. All right. You can see why this vehicle is special. It has 3,726 miles on it. This is incredible for this vehicle. Right here we have our push to talk and our other toggles for the screen setup and message center, also controlling the stereo from here. And you've also got your cruise control and such. Okay, come down here, you have your push button start and your 2- and 4-wheel drive controls, and there's your shifter as well. Go ahead and throw it in reverse so that you can see the backup camera. Okay, so right now I'm on climate. You also have your seat controls because it has vented and heated seats and heated steering wheel. Here is your stereo. You see that you have AM, FM. You also have Sirius XM as well. And this is a shot of your navigation, your map. We'll go ahead and turn that off. You also have a direct tune. Here are your other climate controls, your other apps. You see that you can jump right to your backup camera, so you don't actually have to be in reverse to look through your backup camera, which is really nice. And then just wanted you to see that is an absolute massive navigation screen, giving Tesla a run for their money there. And then here are your tow controls, your parking controls, your additional power supplies. Coming up here, and you have your tailgate where you can drop your tailgate, and your sliding back window. So we've got that. Okay, that about wraps it up for this vehicle. It does have a branded title. There's an impact here in the front. Turned out to just be cosmetic damage, so we got it all fixed up. Has passed the 150-point inspection on the State of Utah Safety Inspection. For more inventory, visit us at tjchapmanauto.com.